Marathon J Sangma ubolong unong mi khmat ka Mendipathar na North Garo Hills ulapan pau ka jing sngokhya halo ka jing wan tuat ki brieu ki banabar da ka jing wan ra e ka lentirel da ka bakadau ya ka land tenure system ka bakhlain jong ka jala ka bakhanglat e ki bomdei ki riuluom ban yo jaka ula banjur ya ka jing ta lingba ka jing kala jong ka station rel ha Mendipathar ka bala Kyntiew e ka roi ka par da ka bapla e ki nong rep trairi khamtam ki Kyntiew ban kit e ki mar rep sha Guwahati hagador ka bahe.
The farmers from Mendipathar, they are getting lots of benefits. Number one is because of the railway station. That is the only railway station in entire state of Meghalaya. So the women especially, they are coming to Guwahati with their vegetables and lots of agricultural products, and they can sell the high price in Guwahati. So there is high demand for it, and the transportation cost of those vegetables bringing up to Guwahati is very less, 30 rupees only for going and coming. 30 rupees, that means 60 rupees they can come and go there.